Hello, in this tutorial video, you will learn how to download the SORTIE-ND GUI. One way to access the download link is from our homepage at forests-bbcenter.ca. Using the navigation bar in the top right-hand corner, you're going to click Sortie. From here, you're just going to scroll down a little bit until you see the button that says Download SORTIE-ND GUI. So we're just going to click that, and it's going to take us to the SORTIE-ND web page, which you can also access just by typing this URL into your own web browser. So to download the latest version of Sortie, we're just going to click this top link here. And then we're just going to hit the top link again. You don't need to download these other files here. So we're going to open up the setup window. And you might receive these warnings saying that Sortie is not safe to run, but it is. So we're just going to hit run anyway. All right, and we're just going to hit I accept the agreement and click next, next again, and install. And there we have it. I'm not going to launch Sortie to start because I want to show an error that commonly pops up. So if I go and open Sortie, this error will likely pop up saying that Java has not been found on your computer. However, I know that Java is installed on my computer, but Sortie just doesn't know where to look to find it. One method to resolve this issue is by editing the system environment variables via the control panel. So we're just going to hit environment variables in the bottom right-hand corner. And under system variables, we're going to hit new. Our variable name is Java home. And the variable value is the file path where Java lives. So in my system, it's under my program files in a folder called Java. So we're just going to hit OK, and then we're going to hit OK again, and OK again. Another method to resolve this issue is using the command prompt, which we have to run as administrator. And so there's one line of code we need. And this is it. So then we're just going to hit enter. All right, and it says success, specified value is saved. And we can verify that it worked by running this next line of code, which returns to me the file path I just gave it. So we know that it indeed did work. So now if I go and open Sortie, the program opens. Thank you for listening.